If you're clueless about your life and need direction, then this is the video for you to get started, so do watch it till end. Hello everyone, this is Gazal. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. First of all, I would like to thank each one of you for 1K subscribers. It means a lot to me. Now let's go for 10K. And I'm sure we will make it happen, isn't it? Just for 5 minutes, just for another few minutes, please leave whatever you're doing right now and be all ears, because what I'm going to share in this video would allow you to think deeply about your life, about you, and thus encouraging you to take the required actions. We are already done with 1 month of 2021 and we still have 11 months in hand. I'm very sure that 2021 is going to be the best year for all of us, provided we follow a roadmap. So to help you in the same, I'm going to ask you 21 questions, which I usually ask my one-on-one clients for you to reflect upon so that you can take the required actions ASAP. Are you making the best use of your time? Or are you still waiting for the right time? Are you still into your thinking mode, or have you started taking actions in life? How was your previous month, and what steps are you taking to make the following months better? Are you developing any new habits? Or are you still the same person? Are you working on your fitness goals? Do you even have fitness goals? Are you living your life with commitment and self-discipline? Who is your support system? Or who are the people on whom you can count on whenever you need that motivation or whenever you feel low in life? And who are the people whom you can and you must let go? Are you still in your comfort zone? Are you blaming others and circumstances for who you are today and where you are? Or are you taking charge of your life without blaming anyone? See, wherever you are today, it's just because of your habits and your mindset. So are you embracing new mindsets? What aspects of your behavior do you think you should work on? What are a few things that you think that you can do differently to get different results in life? It is said that happiness is the key to success. Are you a happy person? What are a few things you can add to your daily routine so that you can stay happy and hence successful? What are your 3 to 6 to 9 to 12 months target from today, and what are you doing for it? And most importantly, what is it or what are those things to whom you can say no from today so that you can say yes to 2021, your dreams, your vision? So before you move on to the next video or get busy with your work, I would request you to please spare few minutes of your day to introspect on each of these questions. By watching this video again, you can also pause it in between and think over these questions. If possible, write down the answers as well. I can assure you, if you answer these questions, you will get a lot of clarity in life, as in where your life is heading to and what exactly needs to be done. So no matter what happened in the past, no matter how lazy you were, no matter how many times you failed or took wrong decisions, now is the time. Restart your life, go all in, and make 2021 your year.